Okay, March 9th, 2008.
How's it going?
These are the guys who are going to remove the water. Start here. As you can see, the water is all the way up to the baseboards. So the baseboards have to come off. The pump did not pump. I'll take you over there, but this is the water line into the house. As you can see, the water is good 2-3 inches. Everything's ruined that's in the boxes. These are my files. They're in plastic. They're safe. Everything else is ruined. I'm not sure if the fridge is going to be working, but we'll find out after the water's pumped. But all the hardware and everything that's down here is ruined. Furniture and toys are all ruined. Everything is just sitting in water. As you can see, the water goes up to the baseboard. This is a closet with all my baseball cards and files. As you can see, they're underwater. I lifted everything up I could, and it's dripping, but they're ruined. Okay. Let's go in here more. Tree is in the water. See the water going against the baseboard when I kick it. All the furniture is sitting in water. Radio is safe. Furniture is ruined. Cabinet's ruined. It's going to turn into mold.
You want that window actually because it's closer to the hole.
This one?
That one in the door.
Oh, okay. But make sure they run the hose way to the back, right?
Well, farthest away from the house you can from that direction.
There's a drain in the corner of the street, so we can hit that, or we should go to the back of the house because then they can't come back. As you can see, all the toys are flooded. Couch is ruined. Electronic games ruined. TV, we'll know after we pump. Electronics ruined. Bottom of this is flooded, so it's ruined as well from mold buildup. To where the bottom's ruined. Everything else is safe. Animals are ruined. Bathroom tile, I don't know what's going to happen. In here, like the vanity is certainly ruined, and the carpet. And the baseboards are going to have to get ripped off. Keep going. Baseboards and stuff in here, same deal. Hardware. This is where the pump is that failed. And putting the hose through to pump it out. Pump chamber pumps everything out. As you can see, it's 3 inches of water. Maybe we'll go for a swim. So the pumping will start, and let's go into the rough area where everything is completely ruined that's been over there. All these materials on the floor are ruined. Christmas tree, stuff in plastic should be okay. Stuff on the shelves is okay. Chair is ruined. Electronic equipment is going to be ruined. Bag is ruined. This furniture eventually will have problems. Not the lounge chairs. How you doing? But the mattresses and everything else around it. All sitting in water. There's a table. No, there's the chairs. And there's a table back there, a wooden table that's ruined. All this extra carpet is ruined. We're sitting in a flood here. So there's the table right there, but the top's not on it. It's around here somewhere. So I believe it's on the side wall, but I can't get to it. Okay. So we're gonna pump from the window?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.